Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to erase Windows 11. First, it is crucial to prepare your system. This entire process will permanently delete all data from your primary drive. Please ensure you have backed up all important files and documents to an external hard drive or a cloud service before taking any further steps. You will also need a separate USB flash drive, preferably with at least 8 GB of storage, to create a bootable installation medium. To begin, download the official Windows 11 Media Creation tool directly from Microsoft's website onto a working computer. Insert your empty USB flash drive, which must be at least 8 GB in size. Run the downloaded Media Creation tool and select the option to create installation media for another PC. Follow the instructions to choose your USB drive, allowing the tool to properly format and copy the necessary files onto it. This bootable USB will be essential for the next steps. With your bootable USB ready, insert it into the computer from which you want to erase Windows 11. Restart your computer and immediately begin pressing the key to enter your BIOS or UEFI boot menu. This is often F12, Delete, or F12, depending on your motherboard. Once in the boot menu, select your USB flash drive from the list of available boot devices. This action will launch the Windows 11 installation setup, allowing you to proceed with the system erasure. When the Windows 11 setup appears, click Next, then select Install Now. When prompted for the installation type, choose Custom, Install Windows Only Advanced. You will then see a list of all drives and partitions. Carefully identify the drive where Windows 11 is currently installed. It often has several small partitions. Select each of these partitions, one by one, and click the Delete button. This action will completely remove the existing data and prepare the drive for a fresh start.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.